Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload images on Slack. Whether you're sharing a meme to liven up the day or sending an important screenshot, mastering this simple task can enhance your communication on this robust platform. So let's dive right into it. Uploading images is one of the most common Slack actions and can significantly boost clarity and collaboration within your workspace. First, you'll want to open the conversation where you wish to share your image. This could be a specific channel that you're a part of, or it might be a direct message with a colleague or a friend. Navigating to the right place is key, because that's where your colleagues will see the image and respond accordingly. If you're working in multiple channels, make sure you choose the one most relevant to the discussion to keep things organized. Once you're in the desired conversation, you'll need to locate the image file on your computer. This might be sitting on your desktop or nestled within a folder somewhere. Just take a moment to find it. Now, using your mouse or trackpad, click and hold on the image file. As you keep holding, drag it over towards the Slack interface, precisely where the message field sits. Slack's user-friendly design is intuitive here, so you should see a drop zone appear when you're over the right spot. Simply release it into the message field and voila, your image has been effectively positioned for sharing. You can also use Slack's built-in file upload button if you prefer browsing for the image instead of dragging and dropping. Slack will now generate a preview of this image for you and everyone else in the conversation to see. This feature is great because it allows you to double-check what you're about to send. But before you hit that send button, consider adding a message or description alongside your image. This context can be incredibly valuable, especially if the image isn't self-explanatory. A few words to explain why you're sharing the image or what others should pay attention to can make all the difference. It could be something as simple as, here's the chart from our last meeting, or take a look at this design concept. With everything set, it's time for the final step. Look over to the send button. It's usually just a click away from the message field. Tap that send button and your image, complete with any context you've provided, will be on its way for others to view, comment on, and interact with. Depending on your workspace settings, your teammates can react with emojis, reply in threads, or download the image for later use. Congratulations, you've just uploaded an image to Slack. This simple action can foster collaboration and keep everyone on the same page in your workspace. Remember, the ability to add visuals can greatly improve the clarity and effectiveness of your communication, be it for a project update, sharing an inspirational quote, or simply a light-hearted exchange. Slack also stores shared images in the file section of each workspace, making it easy to revisit or reference past uploads. So, go ahead and start sharing your images on Slack today. It's really that straightforward and beneficial. Thanks for following along, and happy sharing on Slack. And if you enjoy learning quick productivity tips like this, feel free to subscribe for more helpful Slack tutorials.